This morning we're dealing with a few showers and a couple of thunderstorms that are out there. Nothing severe this morning. Rain moving right through the center of Lincoln right now, right on top of the downtown area, and also on the north side of town, which I'll show you a view from our tower cam because you can see the rain moving across the city. These are all moving off to the east right now. Not a lot of lightning here in the last 10-20 minutes or so. We'll keep a chance for rain for about the next 2 hours, maybe 3 at the most, but I think by 9 o'clock the rain should be done for southeast Nebraska. We're up to 800 of an inch in Lincoln as of 6 a.m., but higher amounts out towards Grand Island where we had thunderstorms moving through last night, including one that produced a tornado on the far southeast side of town, or right on the edge of the southeast side of town. Right now, as we take a live look out over the north side of, or looking north from our station, looking over downtown Lincoln, you can see some of that rain that's falling over the top of the city right now at this time. Temperature-wise, it's mild, 75 degrees in Lincoln, 74 in Beatrice, it's 75 in York as well as Columbus and Aurora, and 76 degrees coming in from Grand Island. It is going to be a warm day, and the rain that fell this morning is just going to add to some steamy conditions this afternoon. By 11 o'clock, we're in the mid-80s. By 1 o'clock, low 90s. And by mid to late afternoon, we're in the middle and upper 90s. So a very warm day coming. 98 degrees for an air temperature in Lincoln, 98 in Seward, 95 degrees in Beatrice. A little warmer as you go further to the west, as we'll be approaching 100 degrees from Grand Island out towards Kearney. Today, winds will be out of the south, 10 to 20 miles per hour sustained with some gusts to 30. I think the gusts will be happening more in the morning than they will be in the afternoon. But when you factor in the humidity or that steam we're going to have from all the moisture evaporating off the ground today, it's going to feel like it's nearly 90 degrees by 10 o'clock in the morning. As we head towards noon, it's feeling like the middle and upper 90s. As we head towards the afternoon, it's going to feel as high as 106 degrees in the capital city. Perhaps 105 in Omaha, 104 in Nebraska City, and 104 is what it could feel like out in New York today at 4 o'clock. So make sure you drink plenty of fluid, water included with that, or some sports drinks. And then by 9 o'clock this evening, as you're heading out for fireworks shows, it's going to feel like it's still in the low 90s. And even by 11 o'clock, it's going to start to feel finally like it's back into the upper 80s. So for this evening, at least in Lincoln, we'll see mostly clear skies, 89 degrees at 9 o'clock, 86 by 10 o'clock, 85, still very warm by 11 o'clock tonight. Heat advisories are in effect for really the eastern 2/3 of the state from noon today until 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, because it's not just today that's going to be warm. Tomorrow we're talking a high temperature right around 99 degrees, and the heat index could be even higher. Notice as we head through the afternoon, this is showing 107. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 110 in some spots tomorrow afternoon. 7-day forecast shows 99 degrees for high temperature tomorrow. There will be a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, mainly off to the northwest, up towards perhaps Greeley, up towards O'Neill and places like that. Otherwise, we'll see 93 degrees for high temperature on Wednesday, 92 degrees by Thursday. And notice every day this week, it's going to have a heat index up around 100 degrees, if not higher. So we head into the weekend, temperatures in the middle to upper 90s, and by Sunday, it could feel nearly 110 degrees around here, with a chance for some thunderstorms coming in by next Monday as a cold front begins to move through.